Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to create perpendicular bisectors on Google Doc. So first you have to do is to create a new document as shown like this, and name your document something related to geometry or math, probably like geometry chapter 3 notes. Okay. And to create a perpendicular bisector, first insert a drawing, and then, for example, I want to create a perpendicular bisector of this segment with the endpoints here on the two sides of the segment. What I can do is create a circle which will act like a real compass when we do a perpendicular bisector, and make sure you set it to something colorful so you can distinguish between different types of perpendicular bisectors for different segments. But for now, any color is fine, and I recommend that you choose either this kind of dashed line or this kind of dashed line. Okay, let's do the second one. And to create a perpendicular bisector, you want to know the center of this segment, so that will be our compass point. And what we can do is draw two lines between the circle like this, and they will intersect at the center because diameters intersect at the center point of a circle. And we can just color it like a gray dot. So now you can move your compass or your circle around. So to create a perpendicular bisector, we want to align our center of this gray intersection point at the end point of this segment. So you can hold shift and press left, right, up, down to adjust the position. And now select the circle, the gray lines, the two gray lines and the circle by pressing shift or holding shift or holding control and clicking them. And control D to copy the circle with the exact same size. And now move the second circle to the endpoint. Oh, as you can see, our circle didn't intersect, so we have to redo these compass arcs. So just resize the circle while holding shift, so it will still become a circle instead of a ellipse or an oval. And the bigger the better, right? And now let's align our circle on the endpoint, and hold shift and then select the three elements in our compass. Control D. Align the new circle to the new endpoint, to the second endpoint. And now these are the intersection points of our arcs. So what we can do is just draw a straight line through it. Even if it doesn't work, you can adjust the endpoint by pressing this, and then if you want to adjust it very precisely, you can hold Alt, so it will not set it on the grid. If you hold Alt, you can rotate it very smoothly, but if you release Alt, you will sometimes it will try to stick to like the preset points of other kinds of shapes. But for now, this is a vertical line because our segment is horizontal, and just align it on the intersection point and color the perpendicular bisector with like the same color as the arc. Hold on. And it's better to like color the original segment, but not color it with the same as the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so I think we should like make the segment a little bit thicker than the arc, so it is easier to distinguish between the actual lines and the auxiliary lines that we draw. And there we go. That is how you create a perpendicular bisector. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find it helpful, please share it with your teacher or other friends that may be interested in geometry stuff like this. And thank you. Take care. Bye bye.